Musa Mseleku always blaming Makhumalo. He said Makhumalo she failed to have kids. Musa Mseleku can't find the problem. Where is the problem? Makhumalo have got many miscarriages. Makhumalo had a child before she got married to Musa Mseleku. But Makhumalo, when she married to Musa Mseleku, she have got a child. Musa Mseleku at the other side, he blamed Makhumalo's family that Makhumalo was supposed to be a traditional healer. Most of the times Musa Mseleku, he wants to blame Makhumalo. He doesn't want to take the responsibility or to go to the hospital or to find a way, because Makhumalo was the only person who have got a problem, stress every time. I saw Utando Nestembo season 3. Makhumalo was crying that you have got kids, I don't have kids. Musa Mseleku doesn't have a problem because he knows that he can marry another wife. What about Makhumalo? And now on season 8, he said Makhumalo, she failed. We didn't see Musa Mseleku support Makhumalo to go to the doctor together, because Makhumalo was always alone at the doctors. But when it comes to his wives, Mayeni and Mangwawe, their kids are being sick, Musa Mseleku was always be there for them.